He's a red beast on that barbecue, on the grill or the smoker. He knows just what to do. He's a red beast on that barbecue.
Hey, what's going on, guys? And welcome back to the channel. And today we're doing a quick cook, man. We're going to make some country style pork rib lollipops. All right, so what we're going to be using today is we got some wooden skewers here that's been soaking in water for about 30 minutes now, and they're the square or the flat type, so make it easier to rotate the country ribs on the smoker instead of the round ones. Okay, if I only had the round ones, then I would probably put 2 skewers in each one of the country ribs. So let's go ahead and get these bad boys seasoned up. Let's get them in the Z Grill's 700 D4E pellet smoker, and we'll see what we get today. All right, guys, so here we have 8 country style pork ribs. They already came pre-cut from the butcher or from the store. I just trimmed off some of the excess fat that they had on them. And today we're going to be seasoning these bad boys with one of my favorites, Killer Hogs barbecue, the barbecue rub. Great rub here, one of my favorites. All right, so we're going to go ahead and season these first. No oil, no binder. We're just going straight rub. All right, that's it. We'll wait till the smoker gets to 250 degrees, and we'll get to the Z Grill. All right, guys, so we have our country style pork rib lollipops on the Z Grill 700 D4E pellet smoker. We're going to be smoking them until they reach an internal temperature about 145 to 150 degrees, and then we will go ahead and then we'll glaze them at that time. So hang around. All right, guys, we've reached 141, 142 degrees, so we're getting close to being done. These look really good. We're going to hit these bad boys up with some Kinder's wing sauce, black cherry chipotle barbecue sauce. Okay, so just gonna squeeze a little bit on each one of these, like so. Give them a brush. We're gonna rotate them, and we're gonna do the same thing on all 4 sides. All right, we got them nice and glazed. Now we're going to wait for them to get up to 145, and we'll have a taste test. All right, guys, so we've hit over 145 degrees on these bad boys. And come on closer, I'll show you as I take them off. They're looking good. All right, guys, so short cook. Didn't take but a couple hours to get to above 145 degrees. Of course, we got our Killer Hogs seasoning on here, and we have our Kinder's black cherry chipotle barbecue sauce that we use as our glaze and stuff. So one thing I probably would have done different is if I had, ooh, that one went everywhere. So one thing I would have done better if I had a smaller aluminum pan. I probably would have put all these in this pan after we glazed them, put some liquid in there and stuff just to give them a little bit more, add a little bit more moisture. But these look good. Oh, they smell fantastic. All right, let's have a taste. Oh. Damn, wow. These came out really, really good. Got a nice little kick from the Killer Hogs rub, and that Kinder Black Cherry Chipotle got a little kick to it, probably from the Chipotle portion of this sauce here. So, but that's about it. These came out great. These would be great if you're having a cookout. You got a bunch of people around and stuff, man. This really, finger food is really good for those type of parties and stuff, backyard, whatever, basement type parties and stuff, man. But once again, the Z Grills 700 D4E pellet smoker did a fantastic job on these, okay? And I can't say too much about this, like our fourth or fifth cook on the Z Grill, and it worked really, really well, okay? So, well, that's it. Subscribe to the channel if you are not a member of the Bad Beast Barbecue family. All right. So, hey, that's about it. So, like we always say, where there's smoke, there's fire. If it's fire, then damn it, there just might be a barbecue there, or a lollipop, lollipop, oh lolly, 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 lollipop. Hey, as always, hey, we'll see you guys around the smoker. Really good.